Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Show Tab Bar for Samsung Internet on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on your home screen, open up the Samsung Internet browser app. Next, tap on the menu key at the bottom. And in here, tap on Settings from the pop-up menu. Next, go down and tap on Layout and Menu. In here, tap on Show Tab Bar. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Once you have turned it on, if you go back to your Samsung browser, you can see at the top here, it will show the tabs that you can quickly switch between different web pages. And if you don't like to use it because it's taking up the screen space, you can switch it off. And now that we have turned off the tab bar, it will be disabled from the browser. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.